Students, today you will learn from your moral values, lesson 11, a visit to a temple. In this lesson, there is a small family, that is father, mother and little girl Rani. वे सभी एक मंदिर की यात्रा करने जा रहे हैं और रानी को एक मॉरल वैल्यू भी सिखा रहे हैं। क्या मॉरल वैल्यू? वो आप इस पाठ को पढ़ते पढ़ते जानेंगे। Rani went with her parents to a temple. It was built on a hill. The parents climbed many steps to reach the top. They kept their footwear outside. They washed their feet. They walked into the temple barefoot. Dear children, this is a lesson about visiting a temple. Here, little girl Rani had went with her parents to a temple. Where was the temple? On the hill. So, for that they have to climb many steps to reach to the temple. So, before visiting the temple, we have to keep our footwears outside the temple, not to wear the footwears inside the temple. Okay, हम अपने शूज़ बाहर ही उतार के दर्शन करने के लिए जाते हैं। शूज़ और चप्पलों को बाहर उतार कर हम अपने फीट को वॉश करते हैं अच्छे से और बेयर फुट मतलब कि बिना चप्पलों के अंदर जाया जाता है दर्शन करने के लिए। So, dear children, here Rani learnt first moral value, that is not to wear the shoes inside the temple. Her parents sounded the temple bell. The sound was good to hear. Bhajans were chanted through loudspeakers. There was a crowd of people. All had come for a darshan of the goddess Lakshmi. Little girl Rani's parent had climbed up and reached at the top to visit the temple. After that, they had sounded the bell. उन्होंने मंदिर की घंटी बजाई। घंटी सुनने में बहुत ही अच्छी लगी। उसको सुन के मन को शांति मिलती है। Around the temple there were loudspeakers in that bhajans were chanted and there were crowd of people. Means all the people go there to visit goddess Lakshmi. So, dear children, here Rani learned the second value, that is we are going to temple to pray to God. Rani watched her parents, they were praying. Rani was impatient. She kept asking questions. Her parents told her, pray to goddess Lakshmi, who will bring wealth and prosperity to the family. Rani also started praying. रानी ने मंदिर जाके अपने पेरेंट्स को प्रे करते हुए देखा। वह देख रही थी कि वे कैसे प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं और वह यह जानना चाहती थी कि यह सब क्यों होता है, क्यों हम प्रे करते हैं, क्यों हम ऐसा करते हैं। तो उनके पेरेंट्स ने बताया कि हम प्रार्थना इसलिए करते हैं कि हमारे घर में शांति और सुख हो और धन हो और समृद्धि हो। इसलिए रानी ने यह सब समझा और वह भी प्रार्थना करने लग गई। Dear children, here Rani learned the third value, that parents teach many things to their child so that they can also learn and can do the same. The family returned home. During the journey, they were very happy, talking about their visit to the temple. During the conversation, the parents told Rani that there are also some other places of worship like churches, mosques, and gurdwaras. Dear children, the family visited temple. They had the darshan of goddess Lakshmi, and now the family is returning back to home. Okay? In during their journey, they are talking to each other what all happened when they were visiting the temple. They were talking to each other, and also parents were explaining to her child that there are also other places where we can go for worship. पेरेंट्स ने रानी को यह बताया कि सिर्फ टेम्पल ही नहीं जहाँ हम भगवान का दर्शन करने जाते हैं, बल्कि चर्च, मॉस्क्यू और गुरुद्वारा भी है जहाँ हम भगवान के दर्शन करने जाते हैं और वहाँ जाके प्रार्थना भी कर सकते हैं. Dear children, here Rani learned the fourth value. That is, there is not one place to worship God. We can worship them anywhere. There are many places where we can go and worship God. There is no discrimination among the people that if you are Hindu, you cannot visit a church, or you cannot visit a mosque, or you cannot visit a gurdwara. You can go anywhere to worship God.